Where are we? Oops! That was very zoomed in. Where are we going?
To junior college.
Yay! Good morning!
Hi peeps, what's up? We're at Gone Beach. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Edit. Now you have to do the
Yeah,
next
it's
clip.
the morning activity, and what do we do the rest of the day?
School.
We have just 3 hours school,
Yeah, and then we have
and
the
then
Holly Fest.
we
But
do
the school
Holly
takes over.
Fest. Woohoo! That was the morning activity. Now we're on the bus, going to the bus and going to school for a couple hours. Hi, Flo! Yeah.
Good morning, guys. We just went we pranked you guys. We're with like our course leaders right now. Say hello to the vlog.
My cup is going.
And say hello. We're in the bus right now and we're going to school now because we have our lessons and we're not excited. But yeah, do you think we're 10? Because we just 10 for 2 hours straight. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Don't forget the sunscreen.
Don't forget sunscreen, and also the most important part, don't forget to subscribe to Kelly Wagenaar on YouTube and on TikTok.
Yay! Wat gaan we doen? What are we doing with the shirts? Malta! Okay. Girls, you want to show?
Yeah!
Whee!
Graduation! That's Kelly! Kelly!
That you're still alive as well.
Welcome to Kelly's vlog. Kelly's not with us because she was not allowed to because she needed to do something else. But we're going to the phone party now and we're gonna vlog it for you, right? Yay! Hey guys! Okay, we're on the bus right now. Kelly's not here. Still not here, but it's fine. This is my Kelly Juicy. And we're on the bus right now. Yes, we're in the bus right now. Oh, that's what I already said. Do you guys want to say hi? Hi. We miss you, Kelly. Yeah. So Kelly isn't here, still isn't here, but like we just had the phone party. It was pretty fun, and now we're going back to the hotel and we're gonna see Kelly again. So we're really happy about that. There might be some clips of the phone party, but we don't know. Because like it was phone, so I didn't want my phone to get like dirty or wet, I don't know. But like, yeah. Okay. See ya! Bye! Vlogtijd! Vlogging time, where we are. We're going to the mega party now! Yay! Mega party! And it's like in the water! Looky. Hi! Mega party! We're going on this one. Oh yeah. Hi vlog! We bought a Blue Lagoon and we bought a pineapple and we're drinking virgin pina coladas from it. I showed the view. It's really pretty. Really pretty. This is the view. The water is blue because it's a blue lagoon. Bye.
live with me inside.
Bye.
We're gonna miss you guys.
We are eating pizza right now.
You guys want to bite?
Last evening.
Yes, so sad.
You want to bite, guys? You can try. Want to try some?
Okay, there we go.
Hey guys.
Good morning.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning right now.
We stayed up all night just to say goodbye to Elisa.
Yeah, because Isa is leaving in like 20 minutes because her taxi comes and she's going to the airport then. And Kelly's already sleeping right now, and Kelly's really, I think she's in a deep sleep right now.
And Nikki just cut my hair.
And Nikki just cut her hair.
I'm very good at that.
And
We're gonna watch the Kelly vlog now.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the Kelly vlog now, as you should too.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Yeah, bye.